one of the dense forests in Maharashtra. Which reflects balance between spirituality and biodiversity. Located in the western Ghat of Sahyadri ranges, a home of Maharashtra's state animal, giant squirrel. And other wildlife in the forest. A land of beauty and incredible contrast, with the hills enveloped into dense milky blanket of fog. Waterfalls enjoying the journey with rocky paths. Pilgrims get glorified with beautiful appearance of the Lord Shiva temple. A trekker's delight. This is Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary. Maharashtra's western border is dominated by its world-famous mountain ranges, the Sahyadri. Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary is the enchanting forest land situated in the Sahyadri mountain ranges, which is the most prominent place with a large variety of endemic, special flora and fauna. Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary was notified by the state government of Maharashtra in 1985 with the total area of 134 square kilometer under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The sanctuary is situated on the crest of Western Ghats that is recognized as one of the 12 biodiversity hotspots of the world. Which was originally established for the conservation of the Indian giant squirrel and its habitat, as well for other wildlife in the forest. The Indian giant squirrel, with a binomial name Rathufa indica and locally known as shekru, which is a large tree squirrel species endemic to forests and woodlands in Bhimashankar. It is a diurnal, arboreal and mainly herbivorous squirrel. The Indian giant squirrel is one of the largest squirrels with an average length for both genders about 36 centimeters for a head and body length, 45 centimeters in tail length and 1.7 to 1.8 kilogram in weight. These squirrels live alone or in pairs. They build large globular nests of twigs and leaves, placing them on thinner branches where large predators can't get to them. These giant squirrels now have become point of attraction for various tourists. Important mammals reported from the sanctuary are carnivores like leopard, along with sambar, barking deer, wild boar, monkeys, and the mouse deer. The sanctuary is rich in special and endemic reptiles, amphibians, butterflies, and insects. Also, diverse species of birds can be seen here. While walking through the forest trails, you experience nature's beauty with mesmerizing sounds, which brings your mental and physical health at peace. The natural vegetation of the place is mostly southern tropical semi-evergreen. Wide variety of trees, medical plants, herbs and shrubs are found in this forest land. Some of the tall dominant trees like mango, hirda, bamboo, jamun, behda will make you feel as if they are doing competition for heightened height of trees. Bay spice plants are found in large quantities here. That is why you will find most uses of it in local food. At any time of the year, a variety of flowers bloom in this sanctuary, so bees are more attractive here, and beehives are also produced in large numbers. Large-scale honey production can also provide employment to the people here. India has some of the most fascinating spiritual tales on the earth. In the Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary, there is Temple of Lord Shiva, which is an ancient shrine and one of the 12 Jyotirlings in India. This temple is a composite of old and new structures in the Nagara style of architecture. It shows the excellency of the skills achieved by ancient Vishwakarma sculptors. This sanctuary has special pride because it is the origin of river Bhima, which is under the grounds of Bhimashankar temple. But it is believed to be hidden from there and reappears in the forest about 1.5 kilometers east of the temple. This place is known as Gupta Bhimashankar. There are sacred groves or devrais as they are called in local parlance in this area. Ahupe is home to the Mahadev Koli tribe and multiple devrais. Forest patches are earmarked as sacred in order to protect endemic species of flora and fauna, and often for water security. They provide a rich environment for study of ecological and cultural heritage. Nowadays, this sanctuary is one of the most visited destinations by trekkers, nature tourists, and devotees. The continued efforts of the Forest Department have maintained the natural beauty of the place and makes it safe and comfortable for all the visitors. This sanctuary is a trekker's delight. It is surrounded by innumerable forts of varying heights and varying degrees of difficulty. It is surrounded by innumerable forts of varying heights and varying degrees of difficulty due to the expansion of forest cover in the major mountain ranges of the Sahyadri. The forts at Gorakhgarh, Machindranathgarh and Siddhgarh were used to keep an eye on the surrounding area. In the past, these forts were used as a residence. Today, Gorakhgarh, Machindranathgarh and Siddhgarh have always been an attraction for the adventurous youth, the trekkers, due to their natural structure. In the rainy season, we get to see a lot of waterfalls here. The Kondwal waterfall has been a popular tourist destination for many years. There are many types of adventure sports like tree climbing are getting played in the rainy season with safety and under observation of wildlife officers. Nature lovers enjoying the waterfalls and landscapes at different sites which are well secured on the boundaries by railings for safety and supported changing rooms are set up as an additional facility for convenience of the tourists. Due to its hilly location, the region receives a lot of rainfall during the monsoon season. That is why so many dams are seen here. Chaskaman Dam is a very important hydel power project in the country and one of the important dams of Maharashtra. Built on the Bhima River amidst picturesque settings, this place with the dam and its backwaters is an ideal monsoon retreat. The Wildlife Department of Bhimashankar has provided various facilities which have been set up to make the tourist experience extremely pleasant and welcoming. Wildlife like adventure tents, rest houses, hostels, or even homestays for the tourists, and offers many outdoor recreation opportunities like open gym and children's play area. With the highlight of these recreations are the nature trails. In Bhimashankar Part 2, the Wildlife Department has set up a beautiful lakeside rest house at Jamburde near Murbad, which is in the Thane district. Mahadev Van Udyan is another new undertaking by the Forest Department for the purpose of eco-tourism. It is being built on the concept of Mahadev Jyotirlinga. It aims to educate and entertain people coming to visit the temple about the surrounding forest and wildlife. The Mahadev Van Udyan is an eco-friendly project with plantations of endemic wild flora. The Forest Interpretation Center at Mahadev Van Udyan, equipped with a library and nature-related guidance and interpretation, is a wonderful place for children and adults alike to learn about nature and adventure. A place which gives us an immense vision of nature, spirituality, faith, peace of mind, purity, and biodiversity. This is an enchanting forest land, Bhimashankar Wildlife Sanctuary.